In a quiet meadow lived a tiny mouse named Nino, who was scared of everything. He was scared of rustling leaves, flapping birds, even his own shadow. One day, a loud whoosh shook the grass. A hawk circled above. All the animals ran for cover. But Nino froze. "I can't move. I'm too small," he squeaked. Just then, a voice whispered, "Run, Nino. Don't think, just run." Nino took a shaky step, then another. Suddenly, he was sprinting. He dashed through holes, under leaves, and over roots. The hawk swooped but missed him by inches. Finally, Nino dove into a burrow and landed safely. His heart thumped, but something felt different. He had run past his fear. The other animals cheered. Even the owl, wise and old, said, "Courage isn't about being big." From that day on, Nino still felt fear, but he never let it stop him again. Moral of the story: bravery doesn't mean you're not scared. It means you keep going, even when you are. Thanks for watching.